on Z Hood with lock. All of us locking. Everyone.
All of us. All of us. All of us. Especially Mark.
Yeah, he the most blatant here.
He the most blatant. He put us on to the hatch.
My lock ain't even on, nigga. Fuck.
God, Mark. That's why I stood still.
Yo, I try to kill that angel bitch. I'm jumping and shit.
That's why I stood still.
Who I'm finna kill? Kill everybody here, nigga. Oh God.
What you doing?
Hey, kill that check mark too.
Everybody can die. Hey, kill a nigga named Protect. Y'all see a nigga named Protect? Kill him. Hey, I got him. Kill him.
Bitch.
Kill everybody.
Kill everybody.
Fuck this shit shooting me for? Bitch.
My shit reloading. It's too many bodies, nigga. Yeah. Hey, I ain't my armor ain't get popped once in this bitch. Hey, I'm dead. My attack not reloaded, bro.
None of my guns reloaded. Hey, I ain't going back there. Under no circumstances. We gotta always go. Can't go alone. That's how we do. I don't even know who the fuck we fighting, bro.
Hey, everybody there.
We fighting every nigga over there. Every nigga. Every nigga. I'm going back.
Bitch.
So weird.
Pretty young boy. Hey, we ain't fighting everybody here now. Yeah, I don't like this nigga too. Who shoot me? Oh, it's Wonder, bitch.
A lot better. These two guys a lot better, bro. A lot better, bro. Not Wonder. Hey, kill that 180 nigga too.
Your armor. Come on.
Oh shit. That's not.
This nigga locking. Fuck no.
Where y'all at?
You're pissing me off.
Let me change my red, bro. I gotta use the golden age. That's the best red.
Too many damn ops, nigga. Who else we find? Who else?
Momo.
Baby, get here! What are you doing, baby?
Shit. Fuck you, nigga. Bitch.
He bladed.
Bitch. I'm dead, nigga. Bitch. Bust him. Never.
Kill exit.
Bitch.
He said he don't think we locked.
Who said that? He don't think we locking. Better start thinking.
I'm for to show him some shit.
Who said that?
Some shit. WLW. For to show that nigga something.
Wow.
Hey, come to them. Military kill who? Everybody. Everybody you see. There's nobody. Hey, I'm taking this bread off. That made my gun feel somebody.
That's wrong lock. Hey. Wow. More in here.
I don't know. I keep seeing her. What the fuck? You fucking like.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, he legit.
Lock. 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 Lock.
Get behind me.
Not dead.
We won.
Who was I love you more? I said I love you too.
Wow.
What she got?
Kill this Zen bitch, bro. And kill EXIN. I ain't get stoned.
I love you more.
I ain't get stoned. You got that nailed on me.
I ain't get stoned either.
I'm gonna say right here, nigga. stomp that nigga.
Why she carry my up? It's a bad girl.
Yes, sir. Took over.
Come up here. Come here. I'm gonna beam shit down.
Oh God, come. That's the wrong lock. Bitch, his ass dead.
Oh. Who's that? He coming through.
Come on, peek, nigga. Kill me. I almost killed me. He didn't kill me though. Hey, get back up there. They can't beat that.
That's him out right there. Okay, that's him out.
Beat this.
Kill his ass.
Beat this.
He locking.
He's wrong.
Hey, I gotta reload.
Hey, that check mark lock it.
I had to reload, nigga. He lucky as fuck. Hey, stop me.
That check mark not legit, bitch.
I'm playing the game.
Hey, go school,
I will
Khalil.
never call my girl a bitch. Never.
Yeah, I'm stuck inside of a bin.
Bitch. I'm blading as fuck. Fuck. So many damn niggas I gotta stone.
Lock.
Wow.
Bitch.
She locking. That bitch locked.
He's not good.
Whore.
I'll put her down. She was my motion back. I picked up my phone.
Wow. Nigga snuck me.
Where you at? What?
I'm right.
Alright, we got it. Once. Oh my God.
Hey, stole me too. Hey, I'm pretty sure that LWL nigga locking. You see how much he beat me for when I was knocked out?
He is, bro. He clearly is locked. That one nigga. You fighting him, right?
Hey, I'm dead. I'm low. Damn, I'm gonna fucking go.
Yeah.
Kill that nigga.
Lock.
Khalil, you shooting woods, nigga.
Get out the front. Get out the front of me, bro.
What the fuck is real fart cats?
Hey, let me just stop. I'm low as fuck.
So you can heal up.
And now there's food over there. Bro, why are all these niggas spawn?
Fall back.
Stop me, I'll come back.
So we gonna start. He locking. Protect nigga locking for sure. You got something.
He said, eat this band,
Hey,
deep,
come
bye.
on. Oh, never mind. I don't even know where it's at. I'm gonna place about a forward. Hey, that. Hey.
Come on, eat this man.
I don't know why niggas use a band as a way to cope. I don't be giving a fuck, cuz. Like, if you think I gave a fuck, do you think I would be hacking, nigga?
Blood, bro.
Like, if I
Like
honestly
it's not
cared,
free to
nigga.
fucking make a new account and rejoin.
Okay, most games don't even touch the
You can get stoned. Come on. Step. Let's go to step.
Nigga. Oh,
We killing that step. We killing somebody else step.
Get more ox.
Yeah, there's X nigga.
Somebody, I don't know you. Bitch, you're stomping. Like,
Wow, wrong
so
fucking
what?
lock, nigga. Hey.
Fuck.
I'm coming.
That's trash.
Hey, I'm finna get banned soon. I can feel my ban coming, nigga. You don't be giving a fuck though. What the fuck?
I don't want to get this good out there. It's good.
That chat mark's so damn trash.
I did the most blatant shit on him. He went AAK too.
Yeah, kill that nigga, but we kill him protect too. Cause I hope you be killing his ass every time you see him.
He said another cheater, you're gone too when I kill him. Like,
all he gonna do is just spam report like that's gonna do anything. I'll come back and hack worse. Bitch.
I need more ops.
Oh, you don't, nigga?
I'm stomping 100 XD. Stomping this nigga name.
Hey, go to stem, Curse.
Hey. Ooh, yeah, I did it for my city.
I've been fighting that nigga.
That's who me and Curse
Yeah, I'm dead. I killed one.
Oh, can I stop using that fucking... Go back.
I'm going back.
I killed all of them. I'm best. I'm greatest.
Not this nigga. And 100 XD.
Like that.
You said you're just cringe. How the fuck is this cringe?
They stomp 100 XD. Damn.
Oh no.
Hey.
Check mark.
I said that. Check mark. Lock.
This protect nigga got an auto clicker. Stomp me too. Yep. I'm gonna get up. Don't worry about it. Hey, y'all dead. Bitch.
Yeah.
I'm dead though. My other ops coming. I'm dead.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm not coming. I'll leave. I'll leave.
Woods ain't kill you.
Hey, come back. Come back.
Nah, Woods killed me.
I'm coming back.
No, I didn't, nigga. Stay right there.
I'll never do it.
Come back all the way. Trying to make a... Oh, he back all the way. He back all the way, man.
Wow, bro. I killed 2. I killed 3. More come.
You see. Yeah, here we go fighting more fucking people. Wait, yo.
Yeah, I'm finna on this bitch right here for no reason.
All right. It's gonna be your body too. I ain't helping.
Bro.
I'm to the woods.
Where the fuck did all of them come from?
I'm finna get a fake macro and teleporting in this bitch. Hey,
God.
mod, go on, out of there, leave, get going now.
Leave.
Nigga ain't Raz.
Well, you fuck your head, no shit.
No,
You know that gang shit. Don't decide.
I kill passive.
Who made this shit?
He did not say gangster shit. He said basic shit.
They kill White T and kill Trizzy. Yup. Is some mod in here? Let me go check. Nope. So I'm gonna kill you again, bitch. You got ESP. How you know it's down here, bitch? And you still die. Hey, White T and J. Be aware.
Somebody flying.
Hey, Trizzy.
Yeah. White T, Trizzy, passive.
I was a low when
Nitro, but her ass AFK.
I gotta stop that shit.
You fighting Nigel? I'm standing right next to her.
Who the fuck is this? Bitch, move out the way. Don't White T, nigga.
I wish it was a...
He shot.
Stole me. Hey, White T coming. He locking, so be aware. You locking too, though. It don't matter. His name Mark.
On.
Yup.
Did you just fart?
Hey, come military. Come by the mask. The mask.
I'll leave.
Nigga, what? I lag.
Watch this.
Nigga said bots. Who the fuck is
I'm
that?
finna hack on him right now. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
You leave while we make it.
He called me a bot.
That's
Fuck.
what
He called me a bot. Still alive.
Oh, they all dead. Hey, kill this nigga coming up here. This nigga really in the air.
Fuck all these niggas.
You don't have to export. Not that good, nigga.
What the fuck is LOLs, bro? Fuck out of here, bitch.
I heard a good spot.
Hey, stay out there. Good ass job.
Good spot.
Keep that shit up. Bitch.
Damn.
I got the same outfit she got.
What are you at?
Oh, Lord in the air.
She locking too. Her shit trash as fuck. Get that nigga Khalil.
Hey, one up.
Hey, stone LOLs. Hey, wow. Hey, where you at, Woods? Wait, you not in this spot no more? Wow. He
Nigga,
griefed us.
he is in the spot. He just not shooting.
Nigga just sat there.
Flock so funny. Alright. Not to let that flock so funny nigga chill. Shoot at me.
Oh, did this ball nigga in here?
Nah.
He flew at me too. Ah, flock. Oh god, I just flew out that bitch. Bitch.
Hey, he left.
Come kill me. Come kill me.
Hey, go out of there, mod. That same mod from last server. Bitch named Raz. Get going. Hey, Woods.
He jailed me.
Get out of there. I'm glad I left, nigga. Fuck no. I'd be pressed as fuck if I had 3 niggas beating me like that.
Dude, Raiden, what's so funny about niggas? What's so funny about
that
niggas
white
killing
skinny
you?
nigga?
Sometimes we shoot fast and sometimes we don't. Understand?
He said W lock. I'm finna say thank you.
Why she begging on VC? Why didn't have mercy on you, nigga? Fuck you, bitch.
Would sound good or not?
Nah, she sound black and disgusting.
Hell nah.
Yeah. I'm not so bad.
First nigga, I'll see.
That's me.
First, we're making a video.
This nigga Woods just flying. Hey, don't kill V. I wanna fight her. You gonna kill her anyways.
I want to kill her.
My fault.
I want to fuck her.
What?
Sound like V, man.
V ass left. Only just one bitch in here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna call it a day. I was running the video up, bro. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to lock, check the description.